From the archives to the horizon, the unveiling of AI's past, present, and boundless future. Strap yourselves in tight and prepare for a mind-bending journey through the trippy corridors of artificial intelligence. We'll dive headfirst into the rabbit hole of history, where the lines between reality and imagination blur, and the possibilities of tomorrow hang heavy in the air.
Picture this. It's 1942. World War II rages on, and Alan Turing, a mad genius fueled by equal parts brilliance and audacity, steps onto the stage. With a flick of his wrist, he unveils the bomb machine, a mystical contraption that shatters the enigma of German codes. The war effort is forever changed. Turing, restless and unyielding, dares to ask, can machines mimic human intelligence? The answer lies within the iconic Turing test of 1950, a mind-bending experiment that tests the very essence of what it means to be human. But the story doesn't end there, my friends. Oh no. Enter John McCarthy, a renegade of the AI frontier, who in 1955 christens this strange new realm with the name artificial intelligence. A spark ignites, and soon enough, the first AI conference is ablaze with fiery debates and wide-eyed dreams. Symbolic AI takes the stage, but its power is limited, shackled by the chains of computational might. And so, an AI winter descends, casting a shadow of doubt on the path ahead. Yet, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, innovation persists. In 1961, Unanimate, the first industrial robot, lumbers onto the scene, ushering in a new era of mechanical marvels. Then, Joseph Weizenbaum unveils Eliza in 1964, a chatbot therapist that taps into the depths of the human psyche. And who could forget Shaky, the wild child of the 60s, a general-purpose robot with an uncanny ability to reason and communicate in the language of mortals. Fast forward to the 90s, my friends, where the neon lights of progress illuminate the AI landscape. Alice, the enchanting chatbot, steals hearts and accolades in 1995. Deep Blue, the AI chess maestro, checkmates human champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, leaving jaws on the floor. And Kismet, the socially savvy bot, dances into our lives in 1998, blurring the lines between human and machine interaction. The new millennium stormed in with a bang, bringing forth an invasion of artificial intelligence that infiltrated the very fabric of everyday existence. In 2002, the Roomba autonomously glided into our lives, disrupting the humdrum of manual vacuuming with its rebellious spirit. Then, in 2011, the enigmatic Siri made her debut, a digital oracle capable of deciphering our words and granting us access to the realm of knowledge. Alexa, Amazon's embodiment of artificial wisdom, followed suit in 2014, amplifying the chorus of technological marvels. But the most audacious act occurred in that same year when Sophia, a humanoid being of wires and circuits, was granted the unprecedented status of citizenship. It was as if the line between flesh and silicon had blurred, casting a surreal light on the intricate dance between man and machine. As the years rolled on, the relentless march of progress continued. In 2017, an AI musician named Ampere took the stage, composing ethereal melodies that transcended the boundaries of human creativity. The fusion of man and machine harmonized into an intoxicating symphony, captivating all who bore witness. Then, in May 2020, a digital behemoth emerged from the shadows, the generative pre-trained transformer ChatGPT-3. With its contextual responses, it wielded the power to redefine automation as we knew it. The once distant dream of replicating human intelligence seemed within reach, as machines pushed the boundaries of their own capabilities. With each milestone, the very landscape of AI transformed, shifting the paradigm of possibility. These technological marvels dared to challenge the limits, ceaselessly striving to replicate the enigmatic essence of human intelligence. The world trembled with anticipation, eager to witness the next chapter in this cosmic dance between man and machine.
Welcome to the here and now, my fellow seekers of truth. The present-day AI landscape is a fiery cauldron of innovation, fueled by the cosmic powers of computing might and the deluge of data. Machine learning, a force to be reckoned with, rises to prominence, wielding neural networks and deep learning to extract profound insights from the vast cosmic soup of information. Healthcare is forever transformed as AI assistance in medical diagnoses and unlocks the hidden realms of drug discovery. Finance bends to the will of AI, optimizing trading strategies and unveiling the cryptic patterns of the market. Natural language processing breathes life into virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, forever altering the way we commune with our digital companions. And behold, the grand spectacle of autonomous vehicles, guided by the wizardry of AI, gliding through the labyrinthine streets with impeccable grace, banishing accidents to the realm of forgotten tales. But beware, for the path ahead is not without its trials. Ethical conundrums loom large, casting a long shadow over the AI landscape. Bias in datasets threaten to perpetuate the injustices of the past, while the impact of employment sends shockwaves through the hearts of workers. We must tread carefully, my friends, and guide AI's development and deployment with a steady hand and vigilant eye.
Gaze into the horizon, my intrepid voyagers, and behold the swirling vortex of AI's future. Quantum computing emerges from the midst, wielding unparalleled processing power, unlocking the gates to uncharted territories. The elusive dream of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, tantalizes us, beckoning us to push the boundaries of what is possible as we strive to infuse machines with the essence of human intelligence, reason, and consciousness. Robotics and AI will merge into a harmonious dance, revolutionizing every corner of our lives, from healthcare to elderly care, and even the mundane tasks of daily existence. But let us not forget, my friends, the human element. As AI's reach extends its tendrils into our lives, we must embrace reskilling and upskilling, ensuring that we dance in synchrony with the rhythm of progress. But heed my words, my friends, for ethical quandaries will intensify. We must forge a path forward, guided by steadfast regulations that protect against bias and discrimination. The future of AI is intertwined with the future of humanity, and it is our sacred duty to safeguard the collective density that lies before us.
Our journey from the archives to the horizon, the unveiling of AI's past, present, and boundless future draws to a close. As we traverse this ever-evolving realm, let us wield AI as a tool for human progress, guided by wisdom and foresight. For the trajectory of AI is an ode to human imagination, an odyssey that will continue to unfold, shaping our world in ways both unimaginable and profound.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked our video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all new content released. I'm Fractal.
And I'm Salem.
See you next time.